Let me share with you this unknown hack that can help you reduce your Shopify PayPal disputes up to 80%. What's poppin', people? It's your boy the Beast of Ecom, and I am back with another video dropping nothing but you already know, value bombs. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys this unknown hack that pretty much probably about 85% of people dropshipping don't even know of. That's going to help you reduce your Shopify PayPal disputes up to 80%. It's going to be a short but quick video and probably one of the most valuable videos that I've ever put out. So make sure you watch all of the video to the end, and of course, if you get some value and you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and of course smash that subscribe button, and be sure to hit the notification bell as well so that you stay up to date with all of my latest content. Now, everyone knows that PayPal disputes can mess up your entire business if you are dropshipping, but there is a one cool little hack that, like I mentioned, not a lot of people know about that can help prevent disputes before they even happen. So once you've watched all of this video and learned exactly how to do it, then make sure you go and implement it ASAP after watching this video and after liking and subscribing, of course. So let's quit the talking, let's jump straight into the video and let's get on with it. Okay, so let me show you exactly how you can start to reduce your Shopify PayPal disputes. Now, I've known about this for over about 6 months, this little cool hack for like over about 6 months now. But one of a good friend of mine, Yusef, put a little bit of a twist on it, which I thought was pretty cool, which I had to implement ASAP. So I wanted to share it with you guys as well. If you don't know who Yusef is, he's the guy who owns Arie Scherson, the product research tool, and I have got a video on how to use it. I'll pop that in the top right hand corner. So how can you do this little unknown hack to reduce these PayPal disputes? Well, first thing you want to do is log into your PayPal account. Then what you want to do is you want to hit this top icon here, this little cog here. Then what you're going to want to do is you want to roll down to my selling preferences, and when you click on that, what will happen is you'll see this little option here that says customer service message. Create a personalized message for customer disputes. Now, if we hit update on this message, what we're then going to be able to do is come to a page like this. You can see I've already populated it. It says, please wait. Please read this before you dispute. And what I've just popped in here is, hello, we are sorry you have had to get to this point, but we want to have one last chance to make it right for you. If you're not happy, we're not happy. Please reach out on disputes@mydomain.com, whatever your domain is, and let us know what's going on. This email is for very high priority cases such as yours here and treated by a separate dedicated team. We love to find out what's going on and solve this case ASAP. Please remember, there is a much higher chance that you will get your money back if you do things this way, and explain your issue rather than using this way. And disputes aren't the fastest way to solve things. And of course, we look forward to your email. So the reason why we do this and we're setting up a custom email is that people feel a little bit more prioritized. It's being handled by a separate dedicated team. We want to try and get them to send an email to this before actually going through PayPal, which is obviously going to save you disputes. Now, with that being said, of course, what you're going to have to do is have a VA monitoring this email address ASAP. And you want to be getting back to customers who email this address within 24 hours, ideally within 8 hours, to show that, of course, it is very high priority. And if you do this, watch how your PayPal disputes just pretty much reduce. Now, what it looks like is if we click preview, it's gonna look a bit like this. You can see here it says, wait, please read this before you dispute. And of course, there is our information. And if you scroll down, so the customers will see this message first before then saying, oh, I didn't receive my email, I didn't receive the product, or it's defected, or whatever it may be. So hit them in the face with, look, we're very, very sorry, but here's a special email. Create the email, have a VA sitting on that ASAP, replying back to customers, and watch how your disputes just literally decrease. Now, of course, this is all well and good, but ideally, prevention is always better than cure, so you don't want people to get to this point anyway. So of course, what you're going to have to make sure that you have got in place is a great customer service team. They are updating trackings, they are getting back to customers ideally within 24 to 48 hours. You're replying to messages. So you want to make sure you've got those core foundations in place. Don't just rely on this little cool unknown hack unknown tactic to completely save your business, because if your customer service is trash, then it's still going to be trash. This isn't going to save you. But, you know, probably 85 to 95% of people don't actually know how to do this. So I think I probably might be one of the first people to mention this on YouTube. But yeah, really cool hack. So make sure you go and set this up ASAP now for all of your stores. And yeah, hopefully it reduces the amount of PayPal disputes that you are receiving. So did you know about this one? If you did, let me know down below. If you didn't, then let me know as well down below. This is pretty much going to be a lifesaver for you, so let me know. I will be replying to comments, so make sure you like, comment, and of course smash that subscribe button. Now, my Ecom Beast 2.0 students knew about this little hack in January, so they've been doing this for over 6 months. So if you do want to stay ahead of the game and learn more from me personally, make sure you check out my full premium course, Ecom Beast 2.0. If you use the code YouTube100, then you're going to get $100 off the course. It's as simple as that. Hit me up on Instagram, drop me a like, drop me a DM, drop me a follow, and join the free Facebook mastermind group. The link for that will be down below. So that is it for this video. Short but sweet. I hope you got some value from it. Take care, and I'll be back with another one helping you guys make more money. Yeah.